Hi, wanna know how to set custom notification sound on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, you would need to download the sound that you would like to set as your notification sound. And now we would need to go into the settings. Here we would need to look for a tab name of which is sound and vibration and open it. Here we would need to scroll down until we will find this tab which is named default notification sound. Now click on it and between all of these albums that you are able to see. Here we would need to find an album, name of which is My Sounds. Click on it and then click on the plus at the right bottom corner. Here you would need to browse through the files of your phone to find where your track is downloaded, but usually it's located if we will click on these three lines in the tab named Audio. So here, when you have found your track, you would need to simply click on it and it will be added to this My Sound album. Now to set it as our notification sound, we would need to simply select it and then click save at the right upper corner. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.